You know what I feel like doing today? I feel like decoupaging on to a frame since I'm doing my bee theme. So that is exactly what we're going to do. Stick around. Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. And I am going to decoupage onto this frame that I've had forever. And I really do mean forever. And I want to get as much as I can get of the print that I like. Now I want this bottom part for sure on the top and bottom. But then I want some of this bee. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to trace around and then I'm going to cut it, and once it's cut I will be back. Okay, so what I've done is I just cut a hole in the middle here, so when I start getting into this I'll just keep cutting and then fold under. And I'm just wondering how this is going to look. I'm going to keep the ply on here, the white. I'm not going to take it off because of this being beige. I just don't know how that's going to look if I took it all off. So let's see what happens. Enjoy the music. You guys, I have had this frame probably, I'm not joking, 25 years at least. And I found it in a drawer that held a lot of craft stuff when we first moved here. And that's been 26 years ago, so this has to be 25 years old. But what I like about it, see back here, okay, that doesn't look, you know, that's no great shake, but if you put it on here, it's completely finished on the back. So I'm just going to let this completely do it on all three sides, and I'm going to leave this open so I can put a picture in it. Okay? So this is completely dry, and I'm going to glue it with some hot glue on three sides. Okay? But it needs an easel. So I took some of the cereal box and I'm going to cover it with another napkin so it'll be finished. You know, actually I won't have to cover it because look, it'll be the same, so I'm not going to. I'm just going to glue this together, then hot glue the easel part of it. Okay? Glue this together and put the picture in it. Okay, so let's take our glue stick. Just let that dry. While that's drying, well, it couldn't have gone far. Okay, so the picture I'm going to use, I'm just going to use this one of my husband on his Harley because I didn't know if I wanted something black and white or if I wanted something with a little color, and this is fine because it's not a whole lot of color. So I'm just going to get him in there and then put this on, get it centered right. Okay. Just on the edges. Got to work fast because this glue will dry quick. And I left this part open, okay? And I did that deliberately. Alright, and now the easel, let's see where I want it. Okay, so I'm going to put it just about where the other one was. While it's still workable, I'm going to bring it down just to make sure. Yeah, that's just about right. And the glue stick didn't work really well, so I'm going to go ahead . that there for. Now, if I was giving this for a gift, I would probably do the back and the easel with the napkin, but since it's just for me, I'm not going to do that. And there you go. You have a photo, and you could put a ribbon underneath there if you wanted to kind of hold it steady. Guys, get yourself a napkin. You can even take a piece of cardboard and cut out a piece of, cut a frame yourself with some cardboard or foam board. You don't have to go buy it. I just had this, and I've had it, like you saw, for years and years and years. It is. Here is the frame that we did with the napkin. Turned out adorable. Look at it next to the little bee skip. I think that is so cute. I think that is adorable. I hope that you'll try it. Very inexpensive, but it really makes a really cute frame. Until we get together again, remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. Talk to you soon. Bye.